Good morning to everyone. Can you hear my voice properly?
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to everyone. Yes, yesterday I gave 3 practice problem and then I told that I will solve the first problem. Okay, so now I will do it the first problem. Okay. அம்மாவுக்கு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அவர் கிளாஸ் இல்லைல்லப்பா தெரியல சரி ஓகே so please write the first problem. If x is equal to 2 cos theta, prove that second hour. Okay, thank you. எனக்கு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அவர் மட்டும் தான் எனக்கு அப்புறம் தேர்ட் அவர் தான். So prove that 1 plus cos 9 theta divided by 1 plus cos theta, which is equal to x power 4 minus x cube minus 3x square plus 2x plus 1 whole square. Okay, I think I gave this problem is a first practice problem. So let us take the left hand side. So left hand side. So 1 plus cos 9 theta by cos theta. So you can write this is equal to 2 cos square 9 theta divided by 2 divided by 1 plus cos theta. You can write what? 2 cos square theta by 2. So you can cancel 2 and 2, and then this is equal to cos 9 theta by 2 divided by cos theta by 2 whole square. Okay, whole square. And then actually for the problem you have cos 1 plus cos 7 theta by 1 plus cos theta. I replaced theta by 2 is equal to alpha. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So yeah, and then I used cos 7 alpha by cos alpha. Okay, but here I'm not going to use that idea. So you may try that idea. I am going to use one more idea. Okay, so here I am going to multiply by 2 and divide by 2 and multiply by sin theta by 2. Okay, so divide by similarly 2 cos theta by 2 here you have into sin theta by 2. So you can, if you cancel 2 and sin theta by 2, you have cos 9 theta by 2 divided by cos theta by 2. So now the numerator is of the form 2 cos A sin B. The denominator is the form 2 sin theta into cos theta. Okay. So now I think you know the results. So just I will recall you. We know that sin 2 theta. Okay, sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta into cos theta. And similarly, we know 2 cos A sin B. 2 cos A sin B equal to what? Sin of A plus B?
Minus sign of A
Yeah,
minus
minus sign of A minus B. Okay, so now I am going to use these two results.
Sir, can you show the previous step?
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So now the numerator is this is actually A. 9 theta by 2 is A. B is what? Theta by 2. The numerator. So the left hand side is what? You have 1 plus cos 9 theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. Okay. This is your left hand side. So 2 cos A sin B is a sine of A plus B. Sine of 9 theta by 2 plus theta by 2 is 10 theta. 10 theta divided by 2 is 5 theta. So this is sine of 5 theta. Sine 5 theta minus, okay, and then minus sine of A minus B. A minus B is what?
sin
8
4 theta.
Yeah, 8 theta divided by 2 is 4 theta. So minus sine 4 theta. Okay, divided by 2 sine theta cos theta. 2 sine theta cos theta is what? Sine 2 theta. But 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2 is what? Sine theta. The denominator is sine theta. Okay. So I think if you have any doubts from the previous step to here, you can ask me. Here, the numerator, I used this result. For the denominator, I used this result. And the whole square. Okay. So now the idea is remaining everything is very simple. Okay. That is just a computation. So here, up to this, you use some idea, and then here I am going to use the remaining part is I'll give the idea, okay, how to do sine 5 theta by sine theta expansion. Okay. Similarly, minus sine, you should split like this. Okay, sine 4 theta by sine theta, and then you will find separately this one. You will find separately this one, and then subtract, and then you can you will get the final answer. So now, so I call this is equation 1. Okay. So now I need sine 5 theta. That's why I think we have sine cos 5 theta, but we okay. So what is sine 5 theta? What is sine n theta formula? NC1
Cos power n minus 1 theta sin theta.
Cos power n minus 1 theta into sine theta.
Minus NC3
Minus NC3
cos power n minus 3 theta sin 3 theta.
Okay, Prashant Kumar, NC3 cos power n minus,
n minus
3,
3 theta
3 theta into
sin power 3 theta.
sin power 3 theta. Okay, and then plus and so on. Okay, Prashant. And then we should substitute n equal to 5. So sin 5 theta equal to what? 5C1 cos power 4 into sin theta minus 5C3 cos square theta into sin cube theta, and one more term minus 5C5 sin
Plus,
power 5 theta.
Plus, sir.
Yeah, plus.
Plus
Yes.
5C5.
Thank you. Sin power of 5 theta. Yes. So now I need sin 5 theta divided by sin theta. That's why I'm going to divide by 5 theta. So you'll get 5. 5C1 is 5. Cos power 4 theta minus 5C3 is 10.
10.
Yeah, cos square
cos
theta.
square theta, sin square theta.
Yeah, sin uh,
Sin square
Sin
theta.
theta will cancel one power,
yes,
so
yes.
sin
Sin
square
square
theta.
theta. Yes, you're right. Plus 5c 5 is 1. Sin
Sin
power
power 4
4
theta.
theta. Yes. Okay. Now, mm, okay, how to convert? The idea is x is equal to 2 cos theta. So everything in terms of cos, then only I can replace in terms of x, because I need the final answer in terms of x. So that's why I will convert everything in terms of x. So, sorry, for cos. Okay, so I'm going to convert everything in terms of cos. So my 5 cos power 4 theta minus 10 cos square theta into sin square theta is what? 1 minus cos square theta. You can write this is sin square theta whole square, that is 1 minus
Cos square theta whole
cos
square.
square theta whole square. Okay, thank you, Shivastava. Now this is equal to 5 into cos power 4 theta minus 10 cos square theta plus 10 cos power 4 theta plus 1 minus 2 cos power
2 theta.
2 cos square theta, and then plus cos power 4 theta. Okay. So now, okay, please tell, you should simplify. So left hand side we have sin 5 theta divided by sin theta. Right hand side, how many cos power 4 theta?
16 cos power 4
16 cos
theta.
power 4 theta.
Okay, because yes,
5
10,
plus 10
5,
plus 1.
15, 16, yes. 16 cos power 4 theta, and then
Minus
how,
12 cos power
yeah,
cos
10
square.
under 2, minus 10 minus 2, okay, minus 12 cos square theta, and then constant
Plus
term
1.
is
Plus 1.
plus 1, yes. Okay, so I call this is equation 2. Okay, now similarly you need to find sin 4 theta, because I need sin 4 theta divided by sin theta. Okay, so first I need to find sin 4 theta. Okay, and then find. So substitute in the formula 4c1 4c1 nc1 cos power n minus 1. So cos cube
Cos
theta
cube theta.
uh,
Sin theta.
sin theta minus
Minus 4c3.
4c3 into cos
Cos
theta.
theta. Sin cube theta.
Yes, sin cube theta. That's all over. Okay. Now divide by sin theta. Okay, you get the 4c1 is 4. Okay, cos cube theta. Okay, minus 4c3 is also 4. Cos theta into sin square theta. So divide by sin theta. So now again I need to convert everything in terms of cos 4 cos cube theta minus 4 cos theta into 1 minus sin square theta. You can write 1 minus cos square theta. So 4 cos cube theta minus 4 cos theta plus 4 cos square theta, cos cube theta. So totally we have sine 4 theta divided by sine theta, it is equal to 8 cos q theta minus 4 cos theta. So we call this is equation 3. So now equation 2 minus 3. Okay, so both left hand side and right hand side. Equation 2 minus 3 implies, so sine 5 theta divided by sine theta minus sine 4 theta divided by sine theta. So it's tell 16 cos power 4 theta, okay, and then minus 12 cos square theta plus 1 minus
8 cos cube
8
theta
8 cos cube theta
plus 4 cos theta.
plus 4 cos theta. So this is it left hand side is take sine theta is common, so sine 5 theta minus sine 4 theta divided by sine theta. This is equal to 16 cos power 4, and then write cos cube minus 8 cos cube, and then write square term minus 12 cos square, and then write minus 4 cos theta. And then it is here we have minus 4 cos theta. If it is minus,
Plus 4 cos theta.
Yeah.
Here.
here it is plus. Okay. Yeah, it is minus. Here it is minus. So it should be plus 4 cos theta and then plus 1.
Plus 1.
Yeah. Now, equation 1. Okay. So equation 1 implies, because we have the right hand side value now. Okay. So equation 1 implies left hand side is 1 plus cos 9 theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. That is equal to 16 cos power 4 theta minus 8 cos cube theta minus 12 cos square theta plus 4 cos theta plus 1 whole square. Because here we have what? Square. So now you should write on the right hand side in terms of 2 cos theta. Because
2 cos theta whole power 4
Yeah, 2 cos theta
whole power
whole
4
power 4. Okay.
minus 3 into 2 cos theta whole square.
Yeah, actually you should write this is
2 cos theta
2
whole
cos
cube.
theta whole cubed
Yeah, 2 cos theta whole cube. Okay, here I should
minus
write
3 into
yeah, first I will write 2 cos theta whole square.
into 3.
Okay, so 2 square is 4, but here I have 12, so 3. Okay, and then I will write this is a 2 cos theta
Into 2.
yeah, into 2 plus 1 whole square. Yes. Now this is x power 4. I will write in the next page. So the left hand side is 1 plus cos 9 theta divided by 1 plus cos theta equal to x power 4 minus x cube minus 2x
Minus 3x square.
minus 3x square
plus
plus
2x.
2x plus 1 whole square. So that's it. Oh. So now you,
Sir?
yeah, please tell.
Sir, in the first step, you split sine phi theta minus sine 4 theta with the denominators respectively, sir. Instead of doing that, we
Where,
can directly
where?
uh, sine phi theta minus sine 4 theta by sine theta the whole square in that step, sir.
Here. Ah,
Yes, sir.
ah,
You split those numerators with the
ah,
denominator respectively, sir. Instead of
ah.
doing that, we can just write sine phi theta and sine 4 theta's expansion in expansion and then directly substitute in the equation, sir. It was a whole lot easier, sir. I worked it out in that way, sir.
No. I am asking sine phi theta and sine 4 theta. Anyway, you are going to use this formula. Is it correct? Whether you are going to use any other idea?
No, sir.
No.
It's the
So,
same
so
formula,
more.
sir. Instead of writing it தனித்தனியா எழுதுறதுக்கு பதிலா ஒன்னாவே எழுதிடலாம்னு சொல்றேன் சார்.
Okay, so you can write it. I understand what you are telling, but the the idea is more or less same. So it is not different. That's why I'm telling. Okay.
Yes, sir. When I worked out in that way, it was a whole lot easier, sir. To avoid confusion, I'm just saying.
Yeah. Okay. So if you like that method, you can do it. Okay. So those who like this method, you can do it. I don't compel you. You should use this method. Okay. So the reason why I am splitting is, I will tell you the reason. So if I split like this, you have the expansion only for sine phi theta only. If you write the numerator, then you should write at the same time sine phi theta expansion and the sine 4 theta expansion. It's a little bit lengthier. Okay, so there may be a chance you will do some mistakes. So that's why I split it like this. Okay, if you are convenient with doing numerator separately, then you can do it. Okay, so and one more thing I want to tell. Um, uh, I think you used 1 plus cos 7 theta by 1 plus cos theta. Okay, you used some other idea. Already I told that instead of theta by 2, you used what? Alpha. Okay, so here also use that method. So in your free time, you'll use that method. Okay, try to get the answer. Similarly, in 1 plus cos 7 theta by 1 plus cos theta, use this idea. Okay, use this idea and try to get the answer. So if you do like this, you can get two methods for your problem. Then you are a little bit comfortable. Okay, so we know a little bit more. Okay, so that is the added advantage. You should try like this. So this is for example I am telling. Okay, so similarly you can try for more problems. Okay, now I think I gave two more problems. Okay, I think Ruba Arjun sent some answer, but okay. So if you have doubts, you can tell me. Otherwise, I will go to the next problem. I think now time is 9:15. I don't want to spend the time now. Okay, I'll go to the next problem. Okay, at least I want to know your answer. For express, I think I gave the problem 1 plus cos phi theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. Okay, as a series of powers of x, where x is equal to 2 cos theta. So please tell your answer. Anybody got the answer?
Sir, x square minus x minus 1 whole square.
Please wait. Your answer is, what is your name?
Sir, Kavimani.
Kavimani. Okay, I don't have the answer. So please tell your answer is what? X square
x square minus x
x square minus x
minus 1
minus 1
whole square.
whole square. How many of them got this answer? Anybody got this answer? Or you can tell your answer. What is your answer? I think Kruba got some other answer. Is it correct, Kruba? Kruba Arjun. Is Kruba Arjun is here?
Sir,
Yeah, what is your answer?
sir, I got a different answer, sir.
Yeah, that's why I am asking. What is your answer?
Sir, I didn't cancel out that 16, sir.
You didn't cancel out 16, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I think who gave this answer? X square minus x minus 1 whole square. Kavimani. Okay. So remaining students, please check it. I will ask you in the next class. Okay, whether you got this answer. Okay. Okay. Next problem is uptime expansion of sine 7 theta by sine theta in a series of powers of cos 2 theta, and hence find the equation whose roots are cos 2 pi by 7 So similar types of problems you need to practice more. Okay. So I will solve 1 or 2 problems, but you need to solve some more problems in this type, because here we are using trigonometry as well as theory of equations. Actually, we are going to study theory of equations a little bit later, but here we are going to use the basic theory of equation, which you may be studied in the +1 +2 level. Okay. So I think you know that what is sine 7 theta by sine theta already. Is it correct? Please tell. Please tell quickly. 7 minus 56.
7 minus 64 cos sine power 6 theta.
7 minus, I think I will write from
Sine square theta
plus
plus 112 sine power 4 theta
sine power 4 theta, okay,
minus 64 sine power 6 theta.
minus 64, yes, sine power 6 theta. Okay. So first you need to derive again. So okay, you can't write directly. And I need the answer in a series of powers of cos 2 theta. So what is the sine square theta in terms of cos 2 theta? 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 2. So which is equal to 7 minus 56 into 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 2 whole square plus 112 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 2 divided by 2 whole power science. I think I done the
In
mistake.
the first part, square will not come.
So sin square theta equal to what? 1 minus cos 2
1
theta
minus
by
cos
2.
2 theta by 2.
So sin square theta whole square. Sin square theta is what? 1 minus cos theta divided by 2 and then square. And then you should write this is what? 1 sin square theta whole cube. It is 1 minus cos cube cos 2 theta divided by 2 whole cube. Okay. Now this is equal to 7 minus 28 28 56 by 2 into 1 minus cos 2 theta. Here have 4 112 divided by 4 is 28 28 into 1 minus cos 2 theta whole square. 2 cube is 8 64 divided by 8 is 8 into 1 minus cos 2 theta whole cube. Okay, now expand this one and then get the final answer. So 7. So please tell 7 minus 28 plus 28 cos 2 theta then expand plus 28 into
Plus 28.
1
1
uh,
plus cos power 4 theta.
cos power 4 to 2 theta va?
Yes, sir. Cos square 2 theta.
Yeah, cos square. Yes,
2
cos
theta.
square 2 theta. Cos square 2 theta and then minus
Minus 2 cos 2 theta.
2 cos 2 theta. Okay. And then minus 8 into a minus b whole cube formula. A cube 1 minus 3 cos 2 theta plus 3 into cos square 2
Cos
theta
square 2 theta.
minus cos cube 2
Cos
theta.
cube 2 theta.
So this is equal to 7 minus 28 plus 28 into cos 2 theta plus 28 plus 28 cos square 2 theta minus 56 cos 2 theta minus 8 plus 24 into cos 2 theta minus 24 into cos square 2 theta plus 24 plus 8 into cos cube 2 theta. Okay. So now please tell what is the highest power you have?
Cube, sir.
Cube. Okay. So how many cubes you have? 8. 8 cos cube 2 theta. Okay. And then how many square terms? 28.
4 cos square 2 theta.
Yeah, minus 24. So plus 4.
Plus 4.
Yeah. Plus 4 cos square 2 theta. How many cos 2 theta? 28, 24.
Minus 4 cos 2 theta.
So this is nothing but 58, 6, sorry, 40, 48, 52.
54, 52, sir.
52 minus 54, that is
56
minus 4, yes.
minus 4.
Minus 4 cos 2 theta. And then constant term, 28.
Minus 1.
28 gets cancelled. Yes, minus 1. 7 minus 8 is minus 1. Thank you, everyone. I call this is equation 1. So left hand side is what? Left hand side is 7 sine 7 theta by sine theta. So the first part of the question is over. What is the first part? You need to write expansion of this sine 7 theta by sine theta in a series of powers of cos 2 theta is over. And hence I need to find the equation whose roots are this. Okay, I need to find the equation. Okay, so now, okay. So what sine 7 theta equal to, okay, first I don't want to go to sine 7 theta. First sine theta equal to 0. This implies theta equal to what?
N pi.
Yes, plus or minus n pi. Is it correct, Shivashava?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, plus or minus n pi. Okay, so n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So if we have sine 7 theta, then okay, sine 7 theta equal to 0. Okay, when theta equal to what? Theta equal to
n by 7 pi.
Yeah, I will write one by one. First I will put yes, n pi, yeah, n pi by 7. You are right. Yeah, n pi by 7. Okay, so first I will write theta equal to 0. Okay, and then plus pi by 7. Plus pi by 7, and then minus pi by 7, and then plus 2 pi by 7, and minus 2 pi by 7. Okay, and plus and 3 pi by 7, and the minus 3 pi by 7. So we have 7 roots. 7, okay, because sine 7 theta equal to 0 when theta equal to this. So this is the first observation. Because if you expand this, you will get a 7th degree equation. Okay, and it has 7 roots. So it has 7 roots. The roots are 0, plus or minus pi by 7, plus or minus 2 pi by 7, plus or minus 3 pi by 7. But in the left hand side, I have sine 7 theta divided by sine theta. This is equal to 0 when, please tell your answer, when this is equal to 0.
And theta equal to n plus or minus n pi.
Yeah, plus or minus n pi by 7, except 0. Except 0, because if I sine 0 is what? 0, so 0 by 0 form. So that's why this is equal to 0 when theta equal to plus or minus pi by 7, plus or minus 2 pi by 7, plus or minus 3 pi by 7. Okay. So now from 1, so the roots of from 1, the roots of 8 cos cube theta. So please tell this equation. 8 cos cube 2 theta plus what? Plus 4
4 cos square 2 theta.
Cos square 2 theta. Okay.
Minus
Minus
4 cos 2 theta.
plus 4 cos 2 theta minus 1
minus 1.
is equal to 0. Okay, I'll take this as an equation. This equation, the roots of these equations are, what is the roots of the equation? The roots of this equation is nothing but
Cos 2 pi by 7.
roots of this equation,
Okay.
because both of them are same. What is the roots of the left hand side? We know that roots of the left hand side is what? When this is root
Cos
0,
2 pi by 7.
theta equal to plus or minus pi, plus or minus pi by 7, plus or minus 2 pi by 7, plus or minus 3 pi by 7. Similarly, the right hand side is also has a root, the same root. So that's why I'm writing here the roots of these equations are plus or minus pi by 7, plus or minus 2 pi by 7, plus or minus 3 pi by 7. I call this is 2. Now I'm going to substitute cos 2 theta equal to something x.
Sir, it's 3 pi by 7 or 3 pi by 2, sir.
Sorry, 7. Sorry. Okay, thank you. Cos 2 theta equal to x. Okay, in equation 2, in this equation. Okay, so that means in comma, if you put cos 2 theta equal to x, comma 2, equation 2 means that the roots of the equation 8 x cube x cube
plus 4 x
plus
square
plus 4x square
minus
minus
4x minus 1
4x, minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, the roots of these equations are, okay, what is the roots of this equation? Actually, x1, okay, it's a cubic equation, x1, x2, x3. What is x1? X1 equal to cos 2
cos inverse
2 theta 1. Suppose if I take this is theta 1. Okay, what theta 1 is, this is theta 1. So cos 2 theta 1 is what? Plus or minus pi by 7. That is plus or minus 2 pi by 7. Similarly, x2 equal to what? Cos 2 theta 2. Theta 2 is cos of
4 pi by 7
plus 4 pi by 7.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, please tell.
Sir, instead of substituting it as x and then giving the values for x as 2 pi by 7 and all, why can we directly substitute it in the main equation, sir? Like they have asked roots for cos 2 pi by 7, cos 4 pi by 7, and cos 6 pi by 7. So why can't we substitute theta as pi by 7 and 2 pi by 7 and 3 pi by 7, sir?
Here itself, you are telling. I'm going to
Yes,
substitute
sir.
here.
Yes, sir.
But I need the equation. Okay, if you substitute here, you are getting the equation. No, you will get a equal to 0. These are the roots of this equation. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah. I need an equation whose roots are this. I got the equation in terms of cos, but I am finding the equation in terms of now x. Okay. I got this is the equation. Actually, the question is what? We need to find
Okay,
the
sir. We
equation.
have to give
whose
an
roots
equation
are-
in terms of x, in terms of a variable.
You need to find the equation whose roots are these 3. But I got the equation, this is the equation whose roots are these 3. But still I need to do it. I need to go. Okay, so that's why I put cos 2 theta equal to x, and then I got the equation. Now the roots of these equations are x1, x2, x3, I took like this. So x1 equal to what? Cos 2 theta 1, and the theta 1 I took, this is theta 1, this is theta 2, this is theta 3. And,
Thank you, sir.
okay. So now x3 equal to cos 2 theta 3 equal to cos plus or minus 6 pi by 7. So now, so you know that cos of minus x is a cos x. So the roots are x1 equal to cos 2 pi by 7, x2 equal to cos 4 pi by 7,
x3 equal to cos 6 pi by 7.
x3 equal to cos 6 pi by 7. Okay. So now I think we got the equation. So thus the equation whose roots are cos 2 pi by 7, comma cos 4 pi by 7, comma cos 6 pi by 7, or what is the equation? X cube, 8x cube plus 4x square minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. This is the equation. 8x cube plus 4x square minus 4x minus 1 equal to 0. So this is the final answer. So now I will give you a practice problem to you, so you can try. Okay, find the equation whose roots are sine k pi by 7, where k is 1 to 6, 1, 2, 3 up to 6. So you try and send to me. If you got the answer, you can send to me. I will check it. Okay, because this is not a regular problem. That's why I'll surely check and then tell the feedback to you. Okay, or you can put it in the group. I will check it. Okay. So somebody is asking question. What is the question? Aditya.
Sir, in the previous problem, can we take it as x minus, as they have given the three roots, can we take x minus cos 2 pi by 7 into x minus cos 4 pi by 7
Aditya,
into x minus...
your voice is breaking. I can't hear your voice properly.
Sir, they have given the three roots, right, sir?
Okay. Yes, please tell quickly.
X minus pi by 7 will be a factor, no, sir, of the equation.
So x minus pi by 7.
X minus cos 2 pi by 7.
Actually, this is the, yeah, you are telling this is the roots. Okay, yeah, this is the roots of this equation, means x minus, this is a factor, yeah.
So if we multiply the three factors, we can directly get the equation, no, sir?
How you will get? Okay.
X minus cos 2 pi by 7 into x minus cos 4 pi by 7 into x minus cos 6 pi by 7.
Why you are going to do like this? I got it now. There is no need to do. The problem is okay. Otherwise, you will do it and then send to me. I will check it. Your method. Okay. So if you have any other method, so please do it. and take a photo and send to me, and then you can discuss with me. Okay. So the next column. So this is also, I'll give you a practice column. Expand to cos square theta minus cos cube theta in ascending powers of theta as far as the term involving theta power 6 up to theta power 6. So I just give the idea how to do it, this column. Okay. We don't have time, but I will give the idea. So first step, 2 cos square theta minus cos cube theta. So you can write 2 cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta.
Cos 2 theta.
Cos cube theta. From cos 3 theta, you can get cos cube theta, that is 3 by 4 cos theta plus 1 by 4 cos 3 theta. So you should know these results. Now we should expand this one. Okay, this is what I think I done the mistake. 2 cos square theta is what? 1 plus cos. Yes, correct. Everything is correct. Okay, so now you should use. Okay, I think still you don't know sin theta cos theta formula. Okay, so don't do this problem. Okay, I will do in the next class. I will solve this problem in the next class. Okay, okay, we'll meet the next class. There is no need to try this problem. So you should try the previous one. This one you can try and send to me. So if you have any other method for the previous problem, you can do it and then send to me. I will check it. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.